Um, I think the stream is going now, so that's pretty sick. I can talk about the chat score in a second. I can talk about that in a second. What I really have to do is I have to grab the stream thing and tell people
The
about
stream thing.
No, not just any stream thing. The stream
The
thing.
stream thing.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's live, boys. Anyway, I gotta go send this to some people, because, yes. Doinko. Gonna put this in here so Aiden can also look at it, maybe. Anyway. We begin a new project today, folks. Also, I've got a guy on a call here, and he's asking about my chat score. I'm gonna pull this up.
Shitty ball score.
Oh, did someone join? Oh, hey, it's Mr. Aiden.
Mr. Bugry Gones.
Bugby
yep.
Garones.
Yep.
The cojones.
Potentially later in the stream we could maybe do some. Oh, did you guys ever finish the store of the? Did you finish that game? Like making it?
Yeah, you can buy
Yeah.
things now.
That's
So you can buy things and it actually works.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
actually works. It's actually kind of cool.
the adventure communist, but it's not really
now
communist.
we make Aiden Code Terraria.
Crafting game
Just
thing.
remake Terraria. Just make it right
Actually,
now.
I won't put.
Make
keep
The
spaces.
Sims.
That's good.
Sims
Organization
Make-
is Gamer
make-
Club.
I could.
No.
You could probably make The Sims, the first Sims
Create
game
project.
from 1993.
Make Sims.
Make Sims.
4.
Sims 4.
Sims 4.
Dude, Sims 4 is crazy.
Sims the original.
Sims 5.
Guys, what about Sims 6?
Simsires.
Sims
Civilization.
5
Next.
Project Reen is predicted to come out in 2026.
Yeah, I got a 720 on the chat math.
Sims Myers.
Sims Myers.
Smimmers Schmobble Shippies.
Smims Myers. Sim 6. That's
You
what
know what,
Oh, wait, I
I'm
gotta
gonna
pull
play
up
the upgrade. I'm playing the
chat.
upgrade tree of tree.
Upgrade tree of tree. Eject is here, source is here. That's crazy. Because today we begin a new project. I may or may not leave the call depending on how distracting these nerds are, because this is pretty.
I won't be
pretty cool.
distracting.
You'll be extremely distracting. That is your job, is it not?
No, well.
So anyway, I opened the stream here with me building a new Unity project. You guys are getting the full new Unity project experience here. I didn't want to skip on any single part of it, right? I've got the aux tools packages pulled up with this not at all suspicious thing that Source may or may not look into. Then I have the Unity hub over here. I got my other monitor with shit on it. That's just like the stream stuff though. We are prepared to go. So what is this this new project of mine? The idea that's been kind of going around in my head, something that we attempted to make before. Why are none of these? Okay, it's because it's scrolled down. That's why there wasn't any favorites. So I have a few Unity projects in here. Where's Tinkers? So a while ago, apparently this was last opened 3 months ago. I think that was for the year's reveal video where I went and got footage for it. Me and Bruce tried to make this project, although it kind of fell through and we stopped making it. I'm going to be reattempting to make it, basically from scratch. Unity's not letting me drag it over. It's on my other monitor, but it won't let me bring it over, so that's annoying. I just gotta wait for it to finish loading. So what is this game? What is this game that I'm going to make? Hesitancy 2 Real? Yeah. You saw that, huh? It's Hesitancy 2 Real. I am going to be making a game where you're combining shit together to make even cooler shit. Now, what do I mean by that? I don't know if you've seen the Tinker's Construct mod for Minecraft, partly why it's called Tinker's in here. Is Unity done loading? It's not. It's still making shit. I don't know what it's doing right now. It just won't let me drag it over, so you guys can't see it. What now? What is the idea behind this? Basically, you can take you go through, you know, I think a dungeon crawler, maybe roguelike light, I mean, is the path I'm going to be going. Basically, you go through randomly generated dungeons, probably with a pixel art style. Oh, here it is. And as you're going through this, and as you're, going through that, you collect materials, you collect items, shit you can bring back with you. Similar to Heroes of Hammerwatch, you'd only be able to send up a limited amount of things up at a time, and then basically you'd use these things that you collect during the run to upgrade your home base, get better, and do whatever. And then also I wanted to have the thing. This is more of the main point of the game, which is combining materials in crafting armor and weapons and abilities and shit. Which is basically you take the material properties of, like, let's say gold and flaming gold, and you combine them together to make a flaming gold fucking like piece of armor. It's like as tough as gold, but you're also flaming. I don't know what the hell that would do, but you kind of get where I'm going with that. Basically, you combine various materials together to form one thing with the properties of all the materials, and I think that's something that could honestly open up a lot of fun possibilities for making shit together. And the Tinker's Construct mod I think was really great in Minecraft. Like that's genuinely one of the better mods I think in the game. But it also is kind of strange because it doesn't mesh that well with the core of Minecraft. Now, I, of course, am going to be getting a lot of errors as soon as I implement this because there's a lot of missing packages from Unity netcode. I don't know if I want this to be multiplayer. I'm not sure how well it will work with multiplayer.
Cool multiplayer.
Multiplayer
be
is
cool.
cool, but it also makes things very hard. If I'm going to, I should at least endeavor to at least import some of the packages that's going to require, because it will require some. And when I say some, I mean some specific ones. So let's get on to that. Number one, I gotta go to Window Package Manager. We got some packages to install. Now, I gotta find in Unity. I actually have a list of all of the packages I need because there's a few. I probably will need nav mesh for the enemies, so I'll keep that. I will need multiplayer. I have a thing. Oh, that'll take a second to open. When this opens, we will have the list in there. I think I already know some of them, though. I know it's Unity Relay, which I need, or it's just called Relay. Install. So that's installing. Here are the ones we need. Relay, netcode for game objects, and whatever this one is. I don't know which one this is. It's just something that I kind of need for client network transforms. In all honesty, I probably could make my own version of this. I just don't want to. So, yeah. So, why, Unity? Let me, whenever I click out of Unity, but it's loading something, it doesn't let me click back into it until it's done loading. So that's Relay. That's Relay. Now I need netcode, which is under N, netcode for game objects. So there you go. That'll be the next one we had. Quite the riveting opening to the stream, I am aware, but that's this is just the life. It's just part of the life, is setting the shit up. I mean, I think the very very beginning, like I literally just created, is a decent bit of like waiting around for shit to load. But once I get the packages in, once I get the project set up with Relay, then it'll be actually onto making things. So that'll be cool. That's 2 of them. I think I also need to do this one as well, which I do via Git. It may or may not like me. We'll see. Sometimes it kind of is iffy if it loads, so we'll see. It says it's installing a package. In my opinion, one of the funnest parts of a project is the starting. Or the funnest part, not funniest. Sorry, I misread that. Yeah, honestly, that is fair, because that's when shit's most I guess up in the air about what's gonna go down, you know? You got no clue. You don't know what's gonna go down. Who knows what art style I'm going for? Well, I do. I want to do pixel art, but that's more of like a type of art. That's pixel art is weird like that. Is it an art style? I mean, it's an art style, but is it like I don't know. I'd call it an art style, I think. But you could have like futuristic pixel art. Is it just a different type of art style which you can combine with other ones, or is it like an anime and live action kind of thing? Where
Or
it's
like
not
you
really
were
a thing?
telling me before, literally anything put on a digital screen
Yeah.
is technically pixel
Yeah,
art.
that we were talking about that in math, which is that literally anything is on a digital screen
Because
is
it's fucking
pixel art,
pixels.
because it's all made of pixels. Just pixel art is generally characterized by a very small amount of pixels, but
And like earlier games had to have low
Yeah, well,
resolutions.
because they actually didn't have the
Shall be right
capacity
back.
to run high res shit. Actually,
Okay, bye.
define pixel art. What does Google say? What does Google have to say on this? Drawn with graphical software where images are built using pixels as the only building block.
Which
No
is
shit.
I mean, you can probably use that definition for any sort of digital
That
thing. Visual developing of anything on computers, because again,
yeah, that's
everything is
true.
based on freaking pixels.
Mm-hmm. I'm saying that to Jack and you, but it's both true.
Right.
Truly art. It is.
I mean, obviously, I think we know what you mean by pixel art.
Yeah.
It's more like
I'm not gonna open Krita.
it's not that it's lower. Well, I mean, I guess it is technically lower resolution,
It
but
is.
it's like, yeah, but it's not like low quality.
No.
No.
Let me pull up Noida. Why did that just go over here? Noida. Really W game. Also uses pixel art. Really
Yeah.
W game.
Or like Terraria uses pixel art.
Yeah, but I don't really like Terraria's art style.
Oh, really?
That says Terraria. Not Terraria.
It still came up with
What the
Terraria,
fuck?
though. Oh, wow.
I searched Terraria. Terraria. Okay. You get some wild shit in Google.
What is it? Wait, stop moving your mouse.
Yep.
Go 3 to the right.
This one, the Dryad figure.
Damn it, it's out of stock.
No! No! I really wanted it. Hold on, is there similar? No,
Whoa!
No, it's sold out.
Fuck! Sold out on every
Dude,
platform.
this sucks.
I mean, for good reason.
Alright, we found a new birthday present for someone. I don't know who,
Yeah,
but someone.
someone.
Anyway, okay, so I have the aux tools. Where do we have scenes? I remember where I put scenes, the folder. There it is. So this is just kind of like their basic default scene with a bunch of the stuff. Oh, actually, I can kind of show off the why is a Dryad and a Coom? That's a good question. I don't actually know. Why is that wide? Oh, it's probably scaled wrong. Yeah, it is. It's using scaling. That makes sense. That's an L on me. Anyway, so this is like a little inventory thing that I've thrown together, and this is quite a bit of code behind it actually. I kind of have the Unity. I can access it for close all those. Aux tools, scripts, jizz, lol, jizz item display, just all the jizz shit. So I have a lot of this is the code for the slots, and then there's also the main containers, or like this stuff, and then there's also the jizz container stuff. A lot of yeah, the jizz container. Wait, do you not know I call this the jizz? This is the general item system, GIS, the jizz.
Oh, Jesus.
What else would I name it? It's perfect. I think
that actually probably
Hmm?
took so much coding to do. Holy crap.
the
There's a lot of stuff in that.
oh yes, there is. There's a bunch
Oh my
of stuff.
God.
So
I know you showed this to me before, but still.
oh, it looks like the save loading is broken because it's not in the right project. That's funny. Like if I do this and then I open it, I'm pretty sure that isn't saved. Yeah. I gotta fix that. That could be because I was fucking around with how those work, or it could just be some other thing. I genuinely couldn't tell you. Has anyone ever told you you should run for president so you can name things? That's a good question. I'll have to look into why the save loading isn't working right now. It wasn't able to grab my username either, which is vaguely concerning. Wait, I don't have the console on this. Anyway, so there's a bunch of features that this has. So I can shift click, I can shift right click. That moves things to the bottom or to the top like this, you know, of the container. I can right click to do this like Minecraft. I can right click to split it like with one. I can also double click to grab all and fill it in. What other stuff do I have? I mean, there's also just moving this. There's splitting it. You can combine them. You can also siphon one into it. Whatever.
And you made it snap to grid.
Yeah, this is just a grid, yeah. But it just goes to any slots that you put them in. And this is also an abstract container. So right now it appears to be having quite a fuckload of trouble loading this stuff.
A shitload of fuck.
It's a shitload of fuck. Why is it just unable to load any of this data? Like this stuff. I'm
Are you
not
not
going
looking,
crazy,
in
right? Like it is just
file?
failing to load stuff and save it too.
Are you not? Is this not like the main file or something?
No, this is literally all I did was take what I had in aux tools and export it and import it into here, and it's not working. That's really cool. I wanna take a look at the file operations because that might be it.
Did you have aux tools like
No, it's not
specific things
preferences.
that when you export it, it doesn't really work when you do it?
No, it shouldn't be. That should not be the case. Project
It
settings.
seems to be the case though.
No, it kept the script execution order. I thought it wouldn't. I actually have genuinely no fucking clue as to why. Because it recognizes these
got
as the
your
right
roaming.
folders, right? So is it let's check these folders. So universal player data. I could just have my usernames empty right now, which might be. No, it has aux. It is just somehow failing to get this. What? Is this not printing what I think it's printing? Oh, yeah, no, it's not printing what I thought it's printing. This is printing something else. This is printing, not that. I thought it was failing to get the username from the thing, but it wouldn't be doing that. I'm big brain. Anyway, I actually genuinely cannot tell you why this is deciding to not work. Because the game folder name, it should just be trying to look.
Why is there just a
Ah,
box on the bottom
wait.
left?
No. Why is there a box in the bottom left? This? The T?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a gizmo. I don't want those.
Oh.
Is that even? Am I gonna have to? No, okay. Well, oh. Okay, yeah. There's some missing references. Say. What? On. What? Huh? What? It's right there. Remove component. Remove component. What? 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 I don't know why you said the jizz is failing. The jizz is not failing. It's the save load system that is. Huh? Was I messing with this? Like, why would this not be working right now? All I could think of is the save file being fucked, but I didn't mess with any data of the save. Huh? That's actually so confusing. I don't know. I'll come back to that as a problem. For whatever goddamn reason, it's deciding no, I don't want to load this data that exists. Because it very well knows that there is data here, right? Like the game data, it might be under 0, but it knows this data exists, right? It has this data. Somehow it's loading it, but it's not writing to it, which means somewhere along the line it's shit-fuck-balled itself, and that's a big problem. Somewhere in here it's dying, but how? Hmm? Can I force it to run this? Save the data to file. I'm just so confused. It did. The confusion is real with this one. Loads the game, saves the game. What if I run save game, but like... So I go to Jizzlol, and then I go grabbing inputs. Do I not have I do. So this will just be a new keybind for F or something. Save system, no. Save system dot instance dot save game. So this will just attempt to save the game at its current state whenever I press the F key. If that doesn't work, we've got a big fucking problem. because it should. I don't see a reason why it shouldn't. Literally, all I have done is move it over. I pressed F quite a few times, and no error through, but it also didn't save the data. I've got no fucking clue, honestly. That's so fun. All I can think of is something along the lines of load game breaking, because I remember messing around with the save file. But it's not used anywhere is the thing. Like, the save file is not used in save game as far as I know. Like, it doesn't use save file here. So what? Huh? You know, I'm not gonna question it. I'm not gonna question it. I'm gonna come back to why this is deciding to not work at a later point, because this is giving me too much of a headache, and I don't want to do that right this second. I have the power to change the like ratio by 100%. That you do. That you do. Do I use this power for good or evil? That is entirely up to you, my friend. That is entirely up to you. So I think I'm going to stop banging my head against a wall here with trying to figure out why this isn't working, and I'm just going to set up a new scene. I don't want to use any of these because I'm going to need to do like a big combination of a bunch of these anyway, so I won't use any of the prefab ones that I have here. I'm going to make a wholly new one. So let's make a create, where the fuck is scene? I never needed scene. Game, in all capitals. Save, sure. We have the game. Did you know that the very legendary video sequel dropped the other day? You can't be referring to. Oh, it's not Cumzone 4. I thought it was. You got me hyped. Check DMs. 200 digit. The Pysong 2.0? That's crazy.
Sigma.
Sigma.
Sigma vowels.
Sigma. Ayo. Take that one back right now.
Buggery.
Little boy. So let's
You
start.
Skibbity Meyer. Skibbs.
Why is it duplicating all of these scripts that I throw on there? Random functions and language file system and input manager and save system. Move component and
Buggery Gones left.
no.
No, I didn't. I'm right
Buggery
here.
Buggery Gones is gone.
No.
I didn't leave. I'm right here.
Budgery Gones gets a beard.
No, I'm right here. Guys?
That's so sad.
I know that Buggery Jones got a.
It's so sad
18.2
Steve Jobs
on
died
his
of Ligma.
SAT.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, Milo got E,
I did, yeah.
and I got Pi.
Yeah, he got a bit more than me. It's like 0.5-ish.
Bro got
0.4.
Euler's number on the
0.44.
freaking SAT.
Mm-hmm. That's that's the
My
that's what I
SAT
got-
score is
that's what
the
I got.
ratio between a circle's circumference and circumference. Yes, circle's circumference and its diameter, bro.
Oh, I thought it was his. Oh no, wait, his radius. That is a diameter.
Milo got Euler's number, which
Yeah.
is
I did.
Isn't it like
the
between?
limit of 100% exponential growth as time approaches infinity.
What's Euler's number
Hmm?
around? Forget how much it. How much it equals.
2.718281828.
Right.
Yeah. And that's all like the base systems. We go to the multiplayer, prefabs. Oh wait, I should have just thrown on network manager. What am I doing? Because this already has a bunch of the stuff on it. This already. I don't think this has that on it. But network prefabs list, which then references server gamer. So that'll create server gamer when I start the game, and then I need to go edit the network manager, and I put the scripts on here. Is what we do. This is relay input and some other stuff. So I need file. I already have input. I need language. I need random functions, probably. I need save system. And then I need the sound system. And then I need spawn date. Actually, I don't
The
need spawn
Skippy
data. And then I need
system?
tags. And that's all the
With a Sigma.
that's all the shit that I'm attaching just to the global object here. So that's a bunch of stuff that'll be running. It'd be really funny if that somehow managed to break, even though I haven't done anything. The current scene is not found. Yes, add that to the thing.
What the Sigma?
Oh, what the Sigma? Yep. Oh wait, yeah, I'm smart. I haven't
got
connected it to the
some-
services.
Milo got the Dom of 1 over n factorial going to infinity.
That's impossible.
You can't cancel if there's. I'm not. I thought I already
For
connected this to
Milo.
Gamer Club. Ooh, that's a good song. I like that song. Do I want to know?
I like that song as
Arctic
well.
Monkos.
I don't usually like those kind of like new rock songs.
I
but
don't
that
either,
one
but that one I
slaps.
do. Yeah.
That one's really good.
Exactly
That one-
same.
That one's like, it doesn't really feel like it would be one of those new rock songs, yet it actually is.
Yeah, it's a good song though.
It's a great song. It feels like it should be like an 80s or 70s rock song, honestly.
Yeah,
Maybe 90s. Actually,
There
no,
we go.
probably more 90s.
shitted fartly. So we've now got an empty scene with a bunch of this basic shit on here. Can I throw in the console? Let's do that. Main camera. Let's do rect. So rect auto size, I believe, does that, or do I need to put it on there? Wait, this isn't a canvas. I'm smart. I go UI canvas. Put it in. Oh wait, screen space camera. Put this on the camera, and then I put the canvas into here. Rect auto size, object reference. Really? Oh, it's auto canvas scaling. Wrong button. That would make sense. Yes. If I click the right button, which Acromon song? Arcomon? I don't know. I do not know. Definitely not the Do I Want to Know song. Definitely not. I can pull that up. Definitely not this one. It would not be that one. I wanna put music on, but then the people at the stream can hear it, and then YouTube would be like, die.
Yeah.
They would send death threats to my house. I would get assassinated.
Yeah, they probably would.
So this
Maybe, like,
should be good if I
some
go
of 'em.
try scaling this correct. That's good. So that means it's scaling correctly. That's the canvas setup. I don't really need a canvas just yet. I just need a 2D background. So let's just go like a 2D object, sprites, square. Oh, I should get the room generation set up. Actually, no, I shouldn't. That'll be a thing for a later time. Random room generation will be something I incorporate much later into the
You should
project.
show the stream that. It's kind of cool.
What Bruce is looking at?
The random room generating.
Oh yeah, I can show it off. I mean, I have it in this, but
Yeah,
I'm
you
not gonna incorporate it into what I'm doing just yet. I'll keep it in here because it's cool though. So where the fuck is scenes? So I believe it's a room generator. I'm not gonna push it to the limits I did when I was showing it to you.
Okay.
This is running. You know, it's got some. It generates random room layouts. The camera doesn't auto fit these, so they sometimes go off screen. But you can see that it generates these cool room layouts and shit. You know, they go. It's sprawling. It goes around, comes around. You know. I don't think that's what that means, but that's what that's what I'm gonna use it for because it applies. It generates these layouts randomly, and I can actually change the complexity of them, right? If I go to the room generator and I change the room density to 1, wow. Generates 1 room, but if I generate it to 2. But, so having it at 6 or maybe 10 or like, these start to be quite fucking big. And that's with this, right? And I also have the build stats for checking the, running time. That was useful when I was making it. So if I go up to, like, 30 or something, right, you can see these numbers start to get a bit bigger.
The
Aiden,
Sigma ball, Sigma ball, Sigma ball,
Aiden.
Sigma ball, Sigma.
What?
remember before when I ran it at 100? I just
Yeah.
increased it from 10 to 30, right? And
Okay.
and that increased the iteration count from 400-ish to like 40,000-ish,
Oh.
right? So imagine doing that again. If you follow the same logic, that would increase it to around 4 million.
Oh.
4 million iterations, right? Yeah, 4 million iterations it would be if I multiplied it by 3-ish again to get to 100. Quite
That is the
interesting.
greatest college in the country is about to play Purdue in March Madness.
You want to see 100? This might crash it. I press spacebar, so we'll
is
see
it
what happens.
Grambling? UVM?
Guys, Grambling.
It's gonna
State.
run.
Oh, Grambling
This is the
State.
best college ever.
Now, no guarantees on how long this will take. I might have to force quit Unity. It is prone to breaking with numbers this high, just simply due to the sheer absolute amount of calculations it's running with this. It is insane.
It's basically stress testing your CPU at this point.
Yeah, honestly, I mean, which honestly isn't saying too much because of the amount of shit I have open. I mean, I've got like I think I'm screen sharing in Discord, aren't I? Yeah, I am.
Yes, I'm in the middle of something. I'm not looking, but
Yeah, I've got the stream running. I've got Unity
Oh,
going
yeah,
also.
sorry.
I've got
Yeah,
I'm watching the stream. I'm also sharing my screen. I think it might be frozen. I'm just saying.
could be.
I can't interact with this. So I might which I mean honestly I didn't really lose anything. I think I saved what I did in the previous scene. I hope, please. It doesn't even matter if I failed to save it before most of the shit's in the assets folder. So yeah, I think this is broken now. So this is why you don't put the room density to 100, by the way. Yeah, it tends to not like it very much. You know, I might have to task manager this if it goes on for too much longer. I'm hoping I don't. Maybe it'll decide to complete. You never know. I actually don't know. It's completely and utterly frozen. What would actually be really cool is if I made an alternate mode where there was like a bit of a delay, you know? Like it waited like a 1/10 of a second or something after doing each room. So you could actually see in real time what it's doing instead of
Is there a
lagging.
way to like make it so if it starts like being almost about to crash, you can just like terminate it?
No.
Or do you just have to do that yourself?
I mean,
Yeah.
I could say like when it's above a certain iteration count, but there's no way to I don't really know what your FPS is, you know?
Right.
There's no way to really see like, oh, has it been stalling for 10 seconds? If so, then do blank. I think it's safe to say that it's either going to take so long that I'm never going to be able to do anything on the stream, or it's going to complete in like a second. You know? I'm not sure why it says 46 next to Unity Editor. Unity auto quitter.exe. Okay, well it says the game is not responding. So I'm going to take that as a cue to just end the task. Operation can thank you. All right, guys. Lessons learned. Do not set to 100. Set it to 150 and you're fine.
Yeah.
Clearly. Because multiplying the room number by 1.5, even though it already was frozen at that number, is clearly the way to go.
Wait, did that actually work?
What?
Doing it at a higher number?
No, I'm joking. It will make it way worse.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. I was just very confused because I'm not looking.
So how
at
does
it right
50
now.
work? Okay, well, okay, Aiden. I just realized 50 is at 1,000,000. Yeah. Yeah. Because you see the time complexity I think is higher than exponential. Hold on. Is that 11 million? Yeah, that's 11 million. That
11 million what?
iterations.
Why?
for this.
Why?
What do you
Not a
mean?
lot.
It didn't
Why?
even really generate it with that many of the split rooms. Just
Why
a
is it doing
lot.
11 million iterations?
Because you're generating it with 50
50 what?
room or like distance room distance from the center. You want to do
Why
if you
is
do a
that
more
11
reasonable number like
million?
10. Hmm.
Why is it 11 million?
Well, if you do a more reasonable number like 10, it's like it's in like the couple hundreds. You know?
Why is it not just like the 100,000s or something for 50?
You don't want to know. The answer is black
Do
magic,
you
probably.
wanna know?
No, I don't
Sorry.
actually.
What is that?
No, you
Arctic
don't.
Monkeys?
Yeah, it is.
Yep. That's the song.
Fart shit monkey.
The Antarctic Monkeys?
Yeah.
Antarctic monkey. Yeah, yeah. The
So
Antarctic
you're saying
humans.
that 99 is the limit.
the freaking Wait, no.
This is
There's no humans
actually
living in
accurate.
Antarctica.
99 might be the limit. We don't know until we test it. But my computer did kind of freeze for a good couple seconds on 50. So I'm not gonna try increasing it to 60.
Do a little freezing.
We did a little freezing. I'm gonna back out of that, but that's the room generator. That's or at least a snapshot view of it. So let's go back over to this to the scenes, shall we? What? Oh. Oh, wait, what? Why is the scenes folder not inside aux tools? That might explain why I was looking for it wrong. It's not in aux tools for whatever reason. Or oh, I think it might be in the aux tools thing, but just fucking merges them. That's cool. Yeah, because you have sample scene. Weird. I didn't know it did that. Anyway. So game, does it actually save what I had before? Oh, it did. Could you theoretically make it generate mid-game continuously? What do you mean by continuously? And yes, I can make it generate mid-game. I mean, that's what I was
Well,
doing
that's how it
before.
would work.
What do you mean by continuously, Source? You mean like whenever you reach the next room, then it generates a room ahead of it? If that's what you mean? So like it's always generating the room in front of you instead of all at once at the beginning? The answer is no. Because I mean, yeah, the answer is no. Generate rooms in a radius for more efficiency. That doesn't really help. Source, what I mean is that the problem here is creating dead ends. I could probably use like a flood fill algorithm or something similar to look for possible, or to look to see if the if it's going to lead into a dead end. But the thing is with this room generator is because what it's doing is it's running this all at the same time. It knows it can it has the freedom to backtrack and erase progress it's made before, so that it can actually generate a valid room layout. Right? If it accidentally makes something that it can't do, then it'll go back and fix it so that it can do it. But if it generated something like this, for instance, and it decides to go around, then up, and then like here, you know, it can't get out. Once the player's like in this room, it's just gonna reach a dead end and break, and I can't just delete these rooms and go back because the player's already here. They've already seen this. They've already been through it. So it kind of has some problems. What I'd have to do is somehow generate it way ahead of the player and where they currently are. So kind of generating what it's already like, just way ahead of where they are. And then I'd have to basically try and create a balance between a flood fill algorithm that doesn't lag the game when it runs, but also is big enough that it's able to figure out when it's going to be a dead end or not. Wah or me? What the fuck are you talking about? So that's probably why I couldn't do it. I mean, I think I could. But it seems like a lot of effort to put into something that I wouldn't need. This is the way I'm planning on doing this is not that you the way I'm thinking of doing this is that you start on like a floor, you know, like you go to this floor. So this is one of the floors of the dungeon or whatever, right? Then you clear it out. Then you go to the next floor. Maybe it's like this one or something, right? I'd probably increase the room amount. I don't know if I want to increase it from here, keep it this amount. I can change these numbers however I want. I can also change the room types that are able to be used. Wow. So, point being with these though, like, because I'm able to change how they look, I don't really need much of the infinite generation, because what I can do is I can just say the player, they are on this room, then when they clear it out, they go to the next one. I don't need to make it so it goes on infinitely, because it already will, using the same generation method that I'm using now. Although having the infinite generation on one floor could be cool, it is also impractical for my purposes at least. Add room types impossible, increase rooms to 3 to 7 per floor. What do you mean? I know you mean add room types is just adding more variation in the rooms, which is a given. I probably wouldn't have like the 5 that I'm using for this random generator right now. But what do you mean by increase possible rooms by, or increase rooms by 3 to 4 per floor? Do you mean just like, I'm gonna go get Wa now. Okay. Man's dying. Gives a suggestion and then dips. What an L, man. I'm actually running low on water. This is not good. How much water do I have? An alright amount. Man needed his H2 ending parenthesis. Honestly, for real. No, I like H2 ending parenthesis more.
You don't like Sigma Gat?
I don't like H2O.
You
Or-
don't like Sigma Gat?
No.
That was so out of nowhere.
No, I like my water H2 ending parenthesis. Thank you very much.
You like Sigma Gat?
No. The fuck is this?
Are you not a Sigma Gat?
That's a great generation. I don't have like explicit control. I don't know what the distance scaler is.
Hey,
Oh
Bruce, are
wait,
you
oh
watching the
yeah, I
Celtics
do.
game?
It's this.
What?
That's the Celtics game song.
Like my
What is
water,
the
but I like my
Celtics
copy
mean?
H2 ending parenthesis. I think
Or that's the NBC
I can't
Sports
tell if 10 is a good number or if 10 is too much. Because sometimes I feel like it generates the right amount, and sometimes that generates way too much. So, I don't know. I'll think about it. I'll have to tweak that, like a twink, you know, to twink it. Nice. Anyway, so that's the random room generator. There is currently 4 types of rooms. I know this says 8 possible ones, but there's actually not. There's only the vertical, horizontal, the split, the green one, which splits it in those 4 directions, the circle, which is just at the end of a room, and the green one, which are corners. I was talking about adding a number of rooms per floor, 3 by 7. If you plan for the number of floors to be infinite, then this would get very, very laggy after a while. I do plan on the floors being infinite, but not in that kind of way. I want to have bosses, you know. I want to have, like, predefined shit like that, but I also want to have it go infinite. So maybe I do something similar to Risk of Rain 2 with the enemy credit system and bosses like that, like they do. Because I think that's pretty cool. We should have an Aux Dev Discord Jackbox game night, or games night on day. What the fuck is that sentence? I want to read that again. We should have an Aux Dev Discord Jackbox games night on day. And then he said someday. That is
He said
quite...
one. I think he meant to say one day.
Yeah. Probably.
I mean, I understand. I kind of like understand what he was saying. It's just
I
like,
understand what he's saying. It's just really funnily worded.
Yeah.
Funnily.
I would have worded that a little bit better, but I'm one to talk.
Yeah.
So.
What that guy said. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna go to the fucking scene. Where is it? Game. I should relegate all these other ones to like the back rooms or something. So let's.
Back rooms.
I have even more shit that I can put on here from my default show. So where's the camera controller? Camera all bonk. Just throw that on the camera, and then guess what? I can put a Where do I have a player prefab? I said prefab. That's crazy. I don't think the multiplayer thing is any different than just that. So I might just yoink the multiplayer one, but that's cool. I'm really tired today. So I had to be at school tomorrow and do nothing. I have a jazz performance. Because I have a jazz L. That's an L, my guy. I'm gonna create a 2D object sprite. Controversial. I'll pick triangle. I was about to pick square, or circle, but then I was like, I'm gonna be unique. Triangle. So yeah, we got a triangle. I'll delete the canvas. Wait, I just realized I didn't even put that in the canvas. That's funny. Hope it goes well. Sorry if I'm like 90% incoherent. Yeah. Tiredness is real fun. So let's just slap on some components from entity, which should be entity OXS and player controller. So this should be base player movement added. Or it could crash. Rigid body, that's fair, that's fair. There is no rigid body component. I forgot to add colliders. So I need a box collider 2D. What am I hearing? Oh, Bruce is watching like some stuff. I'm just gonna mute the stream. And then the other thing I need to add is a rigid body. Rigid body 2D. There you go. I don't think it should have gravity. Where's gravity scale? 0. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm not an expert, but that does not seem accurate. I think it's not multiplying the decay correctly. How is that even possible? The decay is 0.8, is it not?
Why is it dispasming?
Oh, because it's moving really fucking far.
It's a singularity.
It's moving, is what it's doing.
Why? Why?
For whatever reason, the speed is not... This isn't being run for whatever fucking reason.
Do it, Sigma console dot right line. Wait, is it that one line or all of fixed update?
Am I going crazy, or is it because... What? What? What?
Wait, so he's just speeding
wait,
up infinitely? Oh wait, no, because it's yeah, Milo, isn't he just... Is that a times equals or a plus equals on the
Why
move?
is it plus equals? Should it not be equals?
Milo, it's blurry on the move decay line. Is that a plus equals or a times equals?
This? Times
Yeah.
equals.
Okay, that makes sense then. Thought it was a plus equals. And
Why
he
was it
just
doing
slowly getting
plus?
faster
I'm trying to...
out.
No, it was adding the velocity. I think it's supposed to be doing equals, which I'll check in a second, which I'll be able to... Yeah, okay, I can put an image or something. No, not in the canvas. 2D image. Sprite. Square.
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle. I'm like
Triangle.
500 away.
Skibbidangle.
Give it angle. Milo sounding like Mario dying with the wah. For real. Wow. I can't do the fucking Mario voice. Alright, so we have triangle and we have other fake triangle. Right? We have me triangle. Okay, now it's just deciding to do this. You can see it jittering around.
Jiggabibidibib.
I actually couldn't tell you why it's jittering like this.
Because it's Sigma.
All I can think of is that its move shouldn't be this. It should be rigid.velocity.
Move dot normal guys. Move dot.
Oh wait, I bet
stumble
there's
guys.
I know what it was. I bet the fucking thing has linear drag. Is what I'm thinking.
Milo, why are you doing dir dot normalize instead of dir dot stumble guys?
I don't know.
It should be dir dot stumble guys.
I think in the navmesh scene I use it. So let's check what I did in the navmesh. I bet there's linear drag. Let me check. Navmesh scene. Save.
Like Aiden Ross.
So if I go to the
Sigma,
single player and I check the
Sigma.
rigid body, yeah, the linear drag is 20. That makes yeah. That would explain the cause. I need a name for a character who's going to be in-universe grenade manufacturer for my card game. Derek is honestly a pretty good name. I'm agreeing with the Jack there.
Is it 2CA Cosby?
B squared equals A squared plus C squared plus 2CA Cosby, or is it minus? I can't remember. I think it's either plus or minus. to see a Cosby. So yeah, that's what it was. I just need to give him linear drag. Where the fuck is Cian's game? So this will be rename player in all capitals.
Sigma freestyle.
Mm-hmm. Bruce is honestly for real for that. Yeah. Still not sure why it's doing this. Why it's jittering. It shouldn't be. What would be causing that? If I go to the canvas... It must be related to the
Not
following
Sigma.
script. The camera.
Eminem
Wait.
Sigma featuring Juice WRLD.
No, it isn't. It clearly isn't the camera. It's the play. What the fuck? Hold on, I'm just gonna copy and paste the thing from in the not machine because I'm actually confused by that one. This player here. Oh wait, this is a thing. What? Why do you work? And please don't tell me if I go to this one, it's gonna start breaking too. Why is this one fine? I haven't done anything. Is it one of those? Interpolate? Oh, wait, is it that? It's probably that, isn't it? Oh shit, it definitely is that. Let me check. So I bet it's these. Continuous, start, awake, interpolate. I bet it's interpolate. Let's have a good look. Let's have a good look-see over at them, shall we? Game. Player. Yeah, continuous, interpolate. That would be the problem. Anyway, there you go. Now it's actually smooth. What would extrapolate be? I think extrapolate is probably the one we want, not interpolate. But there you go. Yeah, there you go. Now you've got the triangle moving around. And what we now no. I should use the point-at-point method. So let's make a new script. I don't really. Oh wait, I have a player controller script. I don't even need to do this. Fixed update. Should it even be in fixed update? Maybe.
Milo, you need to
yeah.
add this song to the Holy Land.
Transform.rotation equals what?
It's phenomenal.
Oh wait, I don't even need this. Can you tell me what the song is?
I
Oh, you're
sent
sending
it
it
to
to
you.
me. Eminem Sigma featuring Juice WRLD.
Listen to it and
Is this
skip to like
Godzilla?
30. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Listen, skip to
Yeah, it
30
is.
seconds though. Or more like 35 seconds.
The top comment is nice.
When the moon shines, I turn into a rizzle.
The immunosuppressive withdrawals is actually crazy though.
When the moon shines, I turn into a Rizzler. Ohio main Sigma.
Wild.
This goes in the Holy Land.
Guys,
Trials.
who wants to see abstract background video loop, icy
Milo, that
blue,
goes in the Holy
white
Land.
VJ loop, motion background blue graphics
my power
4K,
song?
which is 3 hours, and somehow I'm an hour into this. What the fuck?
What
Why
the
is
hell's Sokotoa song? What is this?
hold on, I need to watch Persian Red Screen. Like this video.
What is Jaden's rap?
All right, hold on, guys. Sorry, I gotta put the stream on pause. I need to watch Persian Red Screen for 3 hours and 30 minutes and 11 seconds.
Literal pants.
I wish I could like pin this, you know? Oh wait, hold on. Let me add a.
Leather pants.
Let's see if I okay. Can I do like a window capture? Window capture. Okay. Of this. Okay.
What the hell? Why do you
Right?
keep sending like these? Why do you keep putting these like weird Dragon Ball Z looking anime fucking videos of songs? into
You
the
want
Holy
wavy
Land?
blue? You want wavy blue? I can put wavy blue back. There you go. Can I crop this or so that it's just the thing? I've never really used this. Blending mode, scale filtering, transform. That's just the transform. Is there a way to crop this shit? filters, add. I can chroma key it.
Ooh, chroma key.
I can make it scroll. Crop it. We only need the. I know. I want it. Wait, where'd it go? What? I think it's gone. I think it's. Why is it gone? I didn't do anything. Your chat has never been more in agreement. Hold on. I need to fix this. This is definitely important. I need to fix this now. This must be fixed. I cannot go on with the stream without this. New window capture. Yes. Okay. So, I think I should just replace my entire stream with this, you know? I think this is good. I think we're good here. I think this is peak. I think we peaked. The fake triangle should be turned into a boss. Maybe.
I'm a villain.
Not a monster.
Not a monster.
That's a great video.
Why is this? It's a YouTube short and the stop posting about baller.
How the I'm literally trying to make it just
Frizzle
crop this, but I don't know of a way to do it. I can't like
Only
double
good
click
song
it,
from
am I?
Beauty and the Beast.
What song?
Wrong.
Oh, I know what it is. It's the mob
Objectively
song.
Wrong.
It's the mob song.
It's not the only good song from.
There's
Beauty
a
and the
mob
Beast.
song in Beauty and the Beast.
It's the only good song in Beauty and the Beast.
No,
What's the
it's
only
not.
good song? Mob song?
No, you sent me that, Eject.
What are the other
Bro,
songs?
bro
While- while
actually
shrinking
forgot
it. Wait,
about
hold
Be Our
Alt?
Guest.
Hold
Oh
Alt?
yeah, Be
Oh
Our Guest,
shit!
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know about this. Oh, this is cool. Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Be
you,
Our
thank
Guest
you,
probably
Source.
the
Thank
best
you,
song
Source.
in that movie.
Milo,
Uh,
you forgot about Be Our Guest.
So I can just kind of no. Be Our Guest
Milo.
sucks.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it
You're
does.
high. Be Our Guest slaps.
I like Be Our Guest.
I mean, I'm just gonna like.
I'm just gonna continue going through this.
Is there a way to like? I want to put this in like a
fucking
non-destructive
Menge.
place. I think this is like a pretty good spot for it, you know. So now you guys won't get bored of the
moment.
stream because you'll have the constant crop more. We only need wavy blue.
No
I need to zoom
Yeah,
this
I
up.
forgot
Oh
about that
shit!
stupid
I need to
ass
move
song.
this up so that I can
I
actually.
just, my teacher, what the is going on?
So you crop more. I can do this. You
Tennis
know?
ball, throw it against the wall.
Uh,
Tennis
stop.
ball, throw it against the wall.
Tennis ball, throw it against the wall, goes hard.
Tennis ball, throw it against the. Sophia the First, what the hell?
It's Sophia the First.
Joe Biden, lol.
Dude, I have not
Me
thought
at the
about Sophia the
preschool,
First.
ayo.
Did I make that? Okay.
Nah, what the-
I think we're just
Milo.
gonna keep that.
I'm,
that
I'm
navy
sending
blue
that
in
to
there.
all. I'm sending this to all the colleges Milo applies
What?
to.
What?
It's called the caption is me at the preschool, and then it goes to welcome to the gums.
I forgot I put that there.
You're saying that to every college.
Dividing
so funny.
fractions by whole numbers.
Yeah, it's like the follow-up song. It's not even by the same people, but it's like Keep Change Flip, but not even close. I need to grab the fucking point at point. Help me, sign me up, help. Okay.
Not the amount of pizza each of them ate.
I think I need point at point 2D. I'm looking for this
What is
one.
this? The greatest song of all time. She's a lyrical genius. Oh, that's Among Us in real life. isn't
Rotate
it?
look, point 2D.
It is in fact.
What the
Among Us
fuck
in
is the
real
di-
life?
Among Us in real life.
Sus. Sus.
Point at
Sus.
point.
Sus.
Point. I don't know what these are
I
doing.
still think like
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
the first 7 songs in the Holy Land are like a whole tier above the other ones.
Maybe.
Except for a couple random ones throughout there that we just forgot at the beginning. We got like adaptation rap,
Mm-hmm.
cells. What is cells rap?
What?
Cells
Oh,
are made
didn't
of
you-
Oh,
No.
cells are made of organelles. That's why do we call it cells rap?
I don't know. I think you put that there.
Oh,
Yeah,
I did
yeah,
put
I
that
think-
there. Cell City.
That was all the
goated.
songs
The
that we
Water
watched.
Cycle. Goated 5th grade Miss Collier science class.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Solar
Wait,
System.
didn't-
Wait,
Bruce, weren't we in
Solar
the same-
System song 1 and 2.
Bruce, didn't we have the same science class in 6th grade?
I don't know.
Oh, it's We Are the Planets.
I think we had the same science class in 6th grade and watched all
I'm-
these
What's
videos.
wait, what's Solar System song 2?
I don't know.
There's a second one.
They hit the
They're
second
so good,
tower.
They made another one.
They hit the second tower.
They hit the second tower.
Pretty much.
I'm Jupiter. I'm a gas giant.
I'm Jupiter. I'm a gas giant.
So this should just make the player point look at the screen.
I'm a gas.
What? What?
Gas giant.
Why is it doing this?
Rings are made
What?
of ice.
What?
Titan is my biggest moon.
Holy shit. I just
What?
fucking killed a bear.
I'm about to go
Don't do that.
all over the Sigma till
Hold on.
he gets in my house.
UI
I
image.
fucking killed a. Holy shit.
You might wanna stop. You know?
What?
I'm just gonna make this like 5 by 5 or something. Oh wait, no. 10. Just a little dot in the center of the screen just so I know where the center actually is. Like, I'm not... What? I know. Like, every time you get... I should do this for every stream. Literally, this is how I keep people's attention, is that I just put I just put this on, you know? Honestly, why even show what I'm doing for coding? Just put this on in the middle of the screen, you know? I put that for the entire stream, and that just gets people entertained. I actually have genuinely no idea why this is breaking. I'm gonna try using a different method, because maybe that one is just deciding to not work. Because that sometimes happens. And you don't question the way. Like, this thing isn't... Like, the way this thing is set up, the triangle should point directly forward. Or this way. Oh, wait, I'm smart. Go back. I'm fine with this image being deleted. I know what's going on. I need to make this 90. Or maybe negative 90. This might be facing directly away from the thing. I know what's going on. It's because the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Yeah, it's facing directly away now, so it's negative 90. That is a dumb problem, a really dumb problem. But it's been fixed. You want to know what? The player now looks at the fucking mouse. This is big. This is big, right? Like, what if you got the player? Did my last message not send? About what? You said the preschool signed me up, help. And then did my last message not send? I'm gonna say no, it did not send. W stands for... This is big, you say. I'm here. You said this is big. What is big? My PP? Probably. But what is? Wavy blue, wavy blue, wavy blue. It's just so good, you know? You gotta fix their, oh, you sent me something. Truly heartbreaking, awe-striking, truly inspiring lyrics. Honestly, for real. I don't know if I'll put that on stream, but I do agree, 100%. Well, no, the thing that's as big as the triangle point. Oh, yeah, the thing that's the triangle pointing to the cursor is massive, genuinely. So let's fix some of the UI shit. Number one, let's make a 2D object sprite square. This will just be a generic black background here, just so that it's not like this blue color, because I don't like the default blue. It's not nice looking. I don't know why. Something about it is just off-putting to me. Maybe it's just because it's a default. But for whatever reason, I don't like looking at it. It unnerves me. So here's the solution, right? The order and layer is minus 900. Basically that. Exactly. Mr. Eject. You had to censor yourself just so that it wouldn't be deleted by YouTube. I know. So I just make this like 1,000 by 1,000, which is probably big enough. Or if not, I could go a couple more. You know. So if somehow you manage to move that far outside the game's boundaries, you'd see blue instead of black, but yeah, who cares? So now when I start the game, you'll see we got this. But if I go over, we have a new thing which I can very easily fix with orders. But if I make this text up here say balls, right? I make this say balls, and I make this a different color so you can actually see it, right? I had to take away my own freedom of speech. I know. So take a look at this. If those are on top of the text, can you believe it? Can you believe it? This shit goes on top of the goddamn text. 1 or 2? 2. The answer is 2. I do have I'm gonna say the answer is 2 for that one. It's basically flipping a coin. I cannot believe it, you say. Is that for getting more water? I hope it is. You should get more water, by the way. I think all I need to do to fix this is just change the canvas order and layer to be like not 0, to be like 5,000. There you go. That is part of the thing. What I want to do is I want to make the camera pixelated, you know. Step 1 of pixel art, make it pixelated. That's just something I can do. So I need to get a number of pixels that I want to put on the screen. You know, I'll make a new. You'll see what I'm doing. So let's make a new camera. Sex camera. This camera will go under main camera. Sometimes I can't tell if the stream is so delayed that my message hasn't sent for you, or if you're just not reading it. You just said I cannot believe it, and then said sometimes I can't tell if the stream is so delayed. Like, sometimes I just don't see the messages, and then I see them later, you know, because I'm not constantly looking at chat. I'm just like occasionally turn my head over to check it. I'm not like staring at it aggressively for the entire stream. But also like, yeah, I think like if you had sent a message after the I cannot believe it, then yeah, I don't know. Whatever the case, I need to work on this camera. So I need to basically copy this camera component. Copy component. But then, guess what? I paste the goddamn component. But we're not done there, bitches. Oh yeah, it's Brittany, bitch. We got more stuff to do.
It's Brittany, bitch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we got more stuff to do. Namely, this one is going to be the thing that renders everything. So I need to make a new canvas. You'll see where this is going. So I make a new canvas. I need to make a new canvas. This one will be pixel render. It's Brittany. Bitchword. I'll put that in there for you. This is just another canvas. This one, a sort order. Wait, whoa. Sort order? Excuse me?
The court order was to sort order.
This one is just getting the absolute maximum. Because all this...
Are you sort maxing?
I am sort maxing. This one is going to get a custom... Oh, wait, no, it's a UI layer. I need to add a custom sex layer up here. Sex layer. There you go. So the pixel render is on the sex layer, and then we see the main camera renders everything that isn't the sex layer, so it only renders the sex layer. I'm sorry, and then this one renders everything that is not the sex layer, right? So it does everything but that one. Made some spicy chicken sandwiches earlier, and I burnt the bread because I went to toast it on a pan and forgot butter. That brings a tear to my eye. That brings a tear to my eye.
That's a big L. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm. So anyway, right now, the main camera sees nothing. The sex camera sees everything, right? Because sex is everything. So we gotta basically take what the camera is seeing, render it down, and scale it back up is what the goal is. And I do this by making it render to a render texture. Now let's see if I can remember how to do this. So I believe you create somewhere in here is a render texture. It might be I might have to make a material. Oh no, it's just right here, render texture. So this is a 256 by 256, but I can't remember which XY. I'm just gonna make this sure. So this is really wide, right? But that's fine. So I make the sex camera render the raw texture Wait, what? No, sorry. I need to make it basically render to this, and then I make the pixel render. Oh wait, shit. I also need to give this the scaling one. You'll see. You'll see. So I make the where aux tools, rect utils. Put this in here, auto canvas scaling. Sorry, that'll just make it scale properly. So then I put a UI in raw image. I make it this, and then I set this to be the alt that, right? That's everything. I think that works.
Bro, God, Robux.
Oh wait, shit. What? Why does the main camera not see this? This could be a 2D layering problem. Yeah. Basically, I need the camera right here to render. This is kind of like what's it's fucked. I basically somehow need to get the sex camera
Oh,
to render.
bro, my
Mhm.
my friend's account got hacked.
Who?
This kid from school named
Oh.
Tate.
Why? Did they just like did they click on a suspicious link?
All my friends are joking, saying he saw a link that said free Bobucks.
Probably did.
He keeps his account keeps sending like to all of our DMs in this group chat we're all in, like 18 plus best free OnlyFans teen and daily leaks plus Roblox plus porn
Ooh.
to a server called Condo Hub Peach
I can't
Emoji
see
porn
that.
and
Oh, he
hentai
clicked a
18 plus
great
Roblox.
link. He clicked a great link.
How is it not able to see these? How? What is default doing?
That is a goat link.
Why can it not see this image?
Tate got he got the free Robux, got him. Trusted by 30,000 people. Should I join the
There's also sex as well, so it's even better. There's Bobucks and there is sex.
Robux sex.
Robux and teen hentai?
Ooh,
And
yeah,
teen
even
hentai.
better.
Yeah.
Even goddamn better. It just gets better. So actually, genuinely, why can it not see this? Is it because it's set to this camera, not this one? Okay, I hate this. I hate this. That's why. Of course it is. Of course it is. Of course it fucking is.
So,
Anyway,
why
let's
don't
set the
we
raw
run-
image to
why
be
don't we
correct.
Run the
No, I'm not doing the files.
no, I'm saying like in a little while we could run some Civ 6.
Maybe.
I mean, this is like we did it with this group to start the first time.
Maybe.
And Dylan just showed up randomly.
Well, yeah. So I think this will render it correctly. It should be 256 pixels. You can see it's heavily pixelated. Currently, I need to denoise it, or not denoise it. I need to remove the anti-aliasing on the texture, which I do. I should make this back to 2D so I can zoom back in on this. So you can see that right now it's very pixelated, obviously, but it's blurry. I need to fix this. We don't want this blurriness. We want the edges to be sharp on the pixels. It kind of sucks as pixel art if it's blurry like this shit. So let's fix that.
What is this like Italian video by
Hmm?
Dylan?
Oh, and me?
Yeah.
It's really good.
Dude,
It's
I love this
based off
part
of,
where
like,
he
a
rode the
stupid-
motorcycle.
It's based off of like this weird
Was he just riding a motorcycle for like 15 minutes?
yes.
No, it's like 30 minutes.
It's 30
Going
minutes.
through
And there's,
like China.
there's also like some scenes like there's cars.
Wait, is that the boss Obby? In the
Yeah, it is.
background?
It is.
Yeah.
So now we got this crispy pixel art look
There's
to
also
our triangles.
O.J. Simpson police
Did you say
chase.
they sent it to your parents?
Yeah, apparently I don't know. The teacher said she's gonna send it. Well, Dylan said she's gonna send it to our parents. I hope she doesn't, because I don't want to have to explain that to my parents.
That'd be so funny. I think if that happened to my parents, they'd just laugh really hard.
Was that like a project?
Yeah,
they
it
wouldn't
was.
Care. It's just like it'd be so weird to try
Was
to.
that a
explain
project for your class?
Yeah.
Got bored of sex, started like,
You
unironic.
actually made it just have like 15 minutes. and then tried
You
it
got
on a
bored and
Yes.
started
motorcycle.
staring at the wavy blue.
Well, I didn't know Dylan was gonna do that, but he ended up doing that, and it's really funny.
hmm
It's
So I might
just like you
increase the
talking
pixel size of it.
for,
But
like,
you got the point.
30 seconds at the start.
Barely
Maybe-
any of it is
Oh
us
wait, I
talking.
can do this. That makes it bad.
It's
but-
supposed to be
you-
mostly us talking. It's literally none of it. It's
It's
all just Dylan riding
triangle.
on a bike.
I like how if I start moving, the shit gets really fucked.
It's literally just Dylan riding on a bike.
Bruce, this is the best stream I've ever done. It's
Is
pixelated
Dylan
triangle.
just sitting in front of a camera for like half an hour? Or is it like cut just like the
I like the
same clip
pixels being as big as they are.
repeated?
You mean it like when it's like this, you know? Yeah, I think this is probably fine in terms of like pixel size. Bruce,
Why is it just cut to like Dylan's not even in it? It's just like a CBS police chase from 1994.
It's the OJ Simpson chase.
Yep.
Oh, wait, it's the OJ Simpson.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah,
You'll
so
see the
Jack,
white
you
guy
said-
on
you
it.
said,
Dylan
can
put
we-
himself in
Wait, can we
he
just real quick?
Yeah,
Dylan
he
put
put
himself
himself
in front of OJ's car.
with the
Yeah, I
white
did.
Ford Bronco.
You
Yeah.
keep playing it. Can we change the triangle to a PP?
It's
That
actually-
we can. That we
he
can.
actually did it really
let
good.
me make this real quick out of shapes. So let's go to the player. I should really make this a prefab. So let's move this out of here for a second. So I'll make this into aux tools. So just throw it in here or some shit. Just so I can edit this directly. So let's remove the sprite renderer directly on here. So let's put the UI. Oh wait, no, not sorry. It's a 2D object sprite circle. We're gonna want these circles. We're gonna want 3 of them. And then we also want a 2D object. I saw the message come in. I haven't read it yet. This skull emoji, skull emoji, skull emoji, coffin emoji. All right. That's fair though. So you make the Y like 3, right? I'm not sure what a good length for the shaft shall be, but this seems good. And then I make the Y up here like wait. I gotta make the. I just realized I gotta make these all of these 0. So that it's all, you know, properly centered here. So I think it's 1.5 that I put this at, and this one I do -1.5, -0.5, and then this one, I might have to make these balls a bit bigger. -1.5, 0.5, you know? Yeah, I definitely gotta make I gotta make the balls a bit bigger to match the scale of what we're going with. Probably like this. Just gonna kind of eyeball their position a wee bit. There you go. So now we've got the PP. This is the best game of all time. It's pixelated PP. I gotta take a screenshot of this. This is really fucking funny. I'm gonna have to make these balls a bit bigger. Yeah. I'm sending a picture of this in progress and announcements as the this is the only, like, the only message after the gonna stream him a bit, like an hour or 2, is just this. I think that this is where the game peaked, honestly. Should I, wait, it's currently rotating about the center. I gotta fix this. I gotta make it so that it's like, not, you'll see what I'm talking about. That's the center right there, right? So I take all of these, and I can kind of move these up to be, like, right there, you know? And you'll see what that does. I think you can probably guess what this is doing, but it makes it so it rotates like this. This is it, Bruce.
What?
How do you feel about this current game so far? I think this is honestly it.
Sigma.
It pixelates surprisingly. Yeah, I know this is a technique that I've cultivated, and it's a 1 in 300 chance to make the sprites to the PP on startup. Dude, you are obsessed with these. But the PP sprite that's really pixelated is actually really cool.
Why is there like just a? It looks sometimes it glitches out and just looks like there's a little dot, black dot in the middle of the base of the shaft.
In the middle of the base of the shaft. You mean like right around there?
Yeah, it'll just like it'll separate a little black.
Oh
dot
wait.
from the white.
Right there.
Yeah. he's just
Yeah,
got a little
that's
freckle.
just due to the slight like just cuz
Yeah.
like this.
It's got a freckle.
It's cuz of this.
It's got a freckle.
But I mean I could fix this ever so slightly by
No,
just...
he has a freckle. It's
He's
fine.
got a little freckle, but it's
He's got a
shy.
little mole.
W Easter egg
It's just
idea.
cancer.
Rare
It's
enemy.
cancer.
The rare enemy. This could be one of the rarest enemies in the game. The giant.
The giant.
Okay, it's the giant enemy spider, except it's the giant enemy
winged
penis.
war.
Big spider.
Giant enemy pixelated penis.
Beep, 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 beep,
This
beep,
is peak
beep.
game design right here.
beep, 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 beep.
I don't think it even gets better from this, you know?
Beep,
Like,
beep.
where do I go from here? The only place to go is down. There's no way to get better than this. I can't even top this on this stream, you know? Like, what am I to do? I got the triangle. I got the PP. Oh, that's a good point. Let me play that.
He's pulling his cock out!
Thank you, Source, for reminding me. This is exactly why none of your games can ever be fully serious. No, I don't know what you mean. What are you talking about? What is this? What are these treasonous words? My games can always be serious. don't I say as I start wiggling the PP a little bit. Don't look at that. My games are the most serious, okay? Source. Did you just talk about HVH? Did you just talk about HVH, Source? Have you not seen rule number 8 on my server? We're gonna have a problem, you and I. Uh-huh, you deleted that message, I see. That's not suspicious, dog. Dude, Andy just messaged me saying that he hopped on my stream and he saw me fucking with the penis. That's wild. Well, for one thing, this is true. This is true. But I think it's just a general rule of thumb that you do not talk about HVH in general, ever. Right? Like, why would you... I think it's just common sense you would apply it outside of the server as well. Anyway, so that's, yeah. This has been quite the fun endeavor with this, this player character. I'll leave that here for a while I do some other stuff. New rule, server rules extend to streams. Why'd you say wait, hold on? You're talking about it. No, Source. You don't understand. You may or may we can consult the rules here. Where does it say this? Rule 18. I am the only one with human rights. Everyone else here does not have them. I am also above the law. Source. You see, I can talk about HVH. Why? Because I'm above the law. Who cares about this law about not talking about HVH? Well, you do, obviously, because if you talk about HVH, you're breaking it. But I am above the law. I can talk about it. Anyway. So I want to get back to this thing. At least for a bit, maybe, possibly. No. Eject talked about HVH too. And are you talking about in the past? Like, when he's mentioned HVH? Every time he has, I've muted him for a week. I tried to argue this before and he changed the rules so that he was above the law. He talked about it. He talked about not talking about it. He talked about talking about HVH too on this stream. And if you are referring to the instances where he is talked about it on my server, it's because he's always been muted for a week afterwards. So I don't think he was talking about HVH1. I don't know what you're talking about, Source. He said, and I quote, let me read this. Where is this? Source, you better be talking about HVH2. That does not mention HVH1. That mentions HVH2. A perfectly fine to talk about game. I don't care if you talk about HVH2. That game is completely fine. It's completely within your rights that you don't have to talk about it, right? But it is not within your rights that you also don't have to talk about HVH1. And Eject was not talking about HVH1 in this case. If he was, he'd have to be banned. That's all I can say. You have God and anime on your side. Don't forget. Do not forget, young sir. You have the ultimate power, the ultimate combo. I don't know.
Bisma, Gizma.
Gizma. Bruce honestly said it all. Anything else I want to set up? Probably. Oh wait, shit.
No. We should go play
You
Kibble
can't. I just
Dip.
realized you can't see this text. That's even though it's supposed to still be here, which means that somehow this camera isn't seeing it, but it should
Maybe
be
the text is
because I
black.
told it to. In this unless this Canva is
Canva.
Canva is. Oh, wait. It's the same problem. It's because it's attached to this. There you go. There you go. I feel like the principal is giving me a stern talking to or something. Like, maybe? Maybe. I like the really heavily pixelated text that you just can't see what the fuck is going on. Heavily pixelated text is really strange looking like this. You know? I can kind of cover it with a triangle, or I could just, have it free floating, but it's just very pixelated. Because this text there is being pixelated. What I could do is I could compare it by putting a UI text mesh pro right next to it that isn't pixelated, Because I put this on top of it, and then I type balls, and I make this one red, and I snap it to the top right there. So you can compare the two. This game fucking rules. I know, balls, one being pixelated, one being not pixelated, with giant swinging pixelated PP, with pixelated triangle to boot. Honestly, I could just submit this. Why even make the game further? This is it.
That's pretty much the game done. Balls.
I mean, this is like
Oh,
all
Milo,
this is
Milo,
everything.
You gotta drive the tip of the ween. Or no, wait. You gotta drive the triangle between the tip of the triangle between the balls.
This is a hard challenge.
No, it's got to be from the top.
Oh,
top
from the
one.
top.
Well, a little off center.
It's not that easy to adjust because you actually go decently far. I mean,
Oh. Now you gotta go tip down.
tip down.
Oh, you're like tickling it.
Just
You're,
fucking
you're like
stab
whipping
it.
Just stab it.
Pixelated BP is the best thing I've asked for, honestly.
It splits it in half.
I gotta add like blood or some shit.
It's
So
like splitting a block of wood. Just goes down and splits it into two
oh my
pieces.
god, it's a fulcrum.
It is a fulcrum. Ball fulcrum.
Ball fulcrum.
Is Aiden Ross still on the call?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aiden Ross is still here.
Aiden
Hold
Ross
on.
is still in the call.
He's
Yeah, I
pulling
think
his
the
cock
ball
out.
fulcrum is that means you've completed your task.
You've completed your training.
So I think it's Kibble Ding Bix time.
It is not, no.
Why?
I mean, I've been streaming for an hour and a half-ish. We need there to be a very low... Okay, Jet, why do you keep doing this? To spawn a room that contains one item, a ball, and let me guess, if you touch the ball, you become a giant peepee. Just... Did I guess what you were gonna say? If you collect 2 balls, you stick it, and a stick, you unlock the PP sword. Okay. Mm-hmm. And the PP sword is this. Because I can recreate this. You must find a way to get Pixel PP Sword into the final game. Crafting gives you, like, unlimited possibilities. This is true. Crafting does give you, like, unlimited possibilities. For example, the PP Sword. God, I could only imagine what that would be. I can only imagine crafting together the shaft and the hilt out of balls. You have to assemble it yourself. Build your own PP. Can you do a thing where you replace this with a normal sword hilt, so you just have, like, a giant shaft and then a hilt right here, you know? Wait. You already have the PP sword. You're right, I do have Fjord! I can import that. Let me find Fjord. You're absolutely right. How could I not have thought of this? You are absolutely right, my good sir. Let me grab this. Where is this? I'll navigate to this. I don't want to do it on screen because I don't know. There's the other one too. Use no. Where's Devos library? Devos library, which is just a bunch of fucking assets I made. Weapons. I think it's here and in here. Yeah, okay, I found it. Okay, so I file, download PNG, and then I put the fjord into images. Okay, wait, I didn't need to check the stream. No wavy, no wavy blue. I think YouTube timed it out for a second there because it had been a second since I last clicked on it, so I wanted to make sure I was still watching it, but we got it back. That could have been bad. Too long without the wavy blue and the stream collapses. So we got this sword here. I mean, where's the player? I think I put that just up all the way up here. So let me disable all this. And when I say disable, I mean get rid of, because I don't want to do this right now. So let's do the 2D object sprite square. Doesn't matter what I make it. Make sure it's at 0, 0. So we can put the image, I think, just directly into it. Correct. And then I move it up to there, probably. I'll rotate it about the handle like this. That is the rotation point right there, so. Okay, well, the background isn't helping with the outline of the PP, so I'll fix this by going to the scene, background. Wait, I didn't name it background. I'll rename it background. Background. So just I'll make it like a gray or something, so you can admire the outline of the PP. This is it. Bruce. Bruce, are you here?
He isn't here.
How could he do this? Right as we got the Fjord sword. I don't even know why it's called Fjord, the image. This is... I mean, where do you even... I can't match this. You know? There's no way to improve this. The
No, it's
resurrection of
already-
Wavy Blue
it's
is more
already peaked.
monumental than insert non-controversial historical event. Skull emoji. This is true. I don't know. Why do I have a message in Discord? What? Man just took a screenshot of the stream. Homie just screenshotted me an image of the stream. Best way to sum up one of your streams is a single screenshot. Yeah, pretty much. That's actually a really good point. I'm just gonna send this with just put that in like memes or something. Or
What
should I
is
put that in
this?
official memes? That's the
No.
question. What? What, Bruce? Bruce, what are you talking about? Are you looking at this? Hey, Bruce. I heard you for a minute.
This is like a violation of the Geneva Convention.
What, the sword?
Yeah,
How is it?
too brutal.
Is it too brutal?
Torturous.
How is it too brutal?
It causes further internal bleeding by using prongs.
I can replace it with a banana.
It's the prongs attached to the side.
Let me go to the
And
player.
any kind of like curved weapons.
This is this is a curved weapon, isn't it? I was gonna replace it with a banana, you know. I gotta like, you know, the sword deals very little physical damage, but it causes 9,999 psychological. Maybe. I mean, this is a curved weapon. So this is very suspicious. What I have other stuff. I have the censored sword. Then I have a bunch of the actual legitimate swords. The fuck is this one? I mean, I could just slap this into here. I'm just replacing the image with other images and seeing how they look in the game. Why What the go over there. Wavy blue. What do you mean wavy blue? Wavy blue's there. I can see it. What? I don't know. Are you talking about something else? So you can see the other sword designs that I have, but these are not going to be what's in the game, probably. Wavy blue was gone for a bit. No! You can't. I like how even if I move this window around, you guys can still see this shit. So I can bring it all the way over here. What if I do this? This is the new streaming meta. Just this thing, you know? Like, that is just it. Can touch sword tips with this. I don't know. I got really nothing else. I didn't really plan too much ahead for the stream. I just kind of wanted to set up some of the basic stuff, maybe lay down kind of my idea for this, and then just kind of fuck around, which is what I've been doing for the past 15-20 minutes probably. So that's neat. So let's go back over to the player here. I'm gonna get rid of the sword on them. Let's just put a. Oh, you know what I can grab actually? Why do I have a message? Oh, you sent me a screenshot of Wavy Blue being dead. Oh, L. Please tell me if it ever dies again. I'll make sure to bring it back up, because if it ever goes down, I will literally cry. Like, I don't think I'll survive. Next stream, I'll probably have the new TTS version of my card game made, so we can play around with it. Yeah, actually, that'd be cool. I almost read that as text to speech. I know you mean tabletop simulator, but that really makes me want to think TTS, like text to speech. Anyway, I got distracted for a second. Yes, I wanted to grab something else from the library of mine. I have a characters, I think. I gotta remember where I put this shit. So you have all the enemy designs from before. I don't want to use these exactly. I want to use. Bruce, do we have the thing from original Hypersmith?
Oh, I don't think he's here.
L. I'm just looking through some of my game dev folders right now for some stuff. Why are you guys saying Wavy Blue no? It's. What are you guys on?
What?
They say Wavy Blue no, and then I look over, and then it's there, and they're like, it's back now. I feel like I'm getting gaslit right now.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Have you not seen my stream?
No, I don't even have the stream open.
You should open the stream and look what's in the bottom right corner.
What
When you
about
say
it?
we're not, we swear, that is the exact steps of
Huh?
gaslighting.
What are you talking about?
Look in the bottom right corner of my stream.
There's like a weird wavy blue white rectangle.
Exactly. It's Wavy Blue, right? This is like a YouTube thing I have open over here, right?
Or it's like a lava lamp type
Bruce,
thing.
no, you don't understand. It's called Abstract Background Video Loop Ice Blue White VJ Loop Motion Background Blue Graphics 4K.
Jesus. Could you be a little bit more descriptive?
I only actually
That's
called it
actually a
wavy.
good idea. I actually don't know. Any other, does this guy do other stuff?
Distorted blue white lines.
He does. He actually does other. What do you mean this is upcoming? What do you mean this premieres in 12 days? This is a fucking wallpaper. How does a wallpaper premiere?
It's a visual ASMR. It's for a TV. I think it's like a moving background.
I know it's moving, but I'm saying, like, how does a moving wallpaper do a fucking premiere?
'Cause
Like-
people are
like-
getting hyped.
It releases in 12 days. Oh. So yeah, we could just do more of these little shits. Although none of these really seem to be as good as Wavy Blue.
You know, it's even better.
This one's
than Wavy Blue
alright.
Mellow.
What?
Hi,
Smack.
and very welcome to my channel.
Smack is good.
Can I be Lord Smack in Civ 6?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I gotta find. Wavy blue. This one actually looks this just looks cool. I just like this one. Stop.
I am very well.
Okay, okay. I see. Wait. Aha! I think we've discovered what causes wavy blue to go away. Wavy
What?
blue appears to disappear whenever I full screen something. You can see it's blurred out now, but then if I unfull screen it, then we're back. That's strange. Wait, what if I put it on this monitor? Does that change it? Like if I put it on the other monitor? It does. So it's on. Interesting. So I can full screen it on this monitor when I have this one on the other monitor. But if I... What the... Okay. I'm not... Whatever. I will find suitable alternatives to wavy blue. If you can send me more wavy blue videos, we might yet see them. Dude. Caramel brown screen. Yeah. Please send me any if you find them. I will play them when you're there. One man, one jar. This feels like a
No.
video I shouldn't watch.
Do not watch One Man, One Jar.
On my way to watch One Man, One Jar on stream.
Do not watch that.
It's like 2 girls, 1 cup.
It is.
I'm gonna see if I can find the stuff. So what was it? I'm trying to remember. Equilibrium is the characters I'm thinking of right now. Was that in here? I don't see it in our shared folders, which is suspicious. Like, where the hell are they? It's not in here. It's not in Chromatic. It would not be in Chromatic. These were not assets for Chromatic. Not in Cross Game Puzzle, because that's something for me. It's not in Delusion, right? Because that's Delusion. I'm delusional for thinking it's in there. So, clearly not that. It's not in General, because...
What are you looking for?
Those are the General Capools. I'm looking for the fucking Equilibrium dudes that we made.
Equilibrium dudes.
Yeah, I remember them. They were like black circles with little angry eyes. I don't know where they are. I can't find them. It scares me. Like, where is it? Is it in one of these ones like Moolah? Not mid-wavy defense game? Oh, this is like the yeah, I found them. Forgot about Homer. I love these characters. Alright. Anyway.
Milo Gaming.
So these are some of the character random shits and then an overlay for one of them. Just gonna file download that PNG. And then I go to the player and I slap on that PNG. And then I do a 2D object sprite circle with the square with the circle.
What's that guy called?
Hmm.
Silva?
This is a stupid name, but yeah. 480. I mean, it's not gonna be exactly 480. I gotta have to scale it up a bit because it's gonna be tiny now. Because I do a UI. Oh wait, sorry, 2D object. Sprites circle, and I put this dude in the middle. Sorry, with the lock them in. Make them render on top just so I can fuck with these dudes. And then I scaled it. And what? Oh. No. You link scale. There you go. Delete the circle. Wait. What? 2 things. I gotta color it. 1. Wait, why do I might have messages?
Balls.
Abstract. Oh, you found one. You found one. Let's take a look. It's another one, I will admit, but I do not appreciate the pink. Purple, my favorite color. Pink, my least favorite color. I can't do the pink. No. I do have to rotate this 90 degrees. like this. And then I color it something like blue or purple even. We're getting fancy. And now you've got this, like, fucked looking guy here. But, I mean, this is like a temporary player character. I've just yoinked it from something I already made in the past that looks kind of neat. So we have this character. I vote wavy pink as a suitable alternative. Alright. You know what? In the future, if we need another one and we can't find anything better, we're free to use wavy pink. Abstract green background. That's just, isn't that Perlin? Isn't this just scrolling Perlin noise? This is just scrolling Perlin noise, isn't it? I mean, it's fine. It looks neat. I think democracy can overrule a god. Can it? Maybe. You'll never know until you try. This one's kind of fucky. This one's kind of fucky. It is neat, though. I'll give it that. I do like this one. This one's neat. I like the look, highlights. I like this one. That's a great video. I should put that on stream. Anyway. Hold on, what was that? You got messaged in it. It's just the names of us. Or it would be considered like eject and ox or ox and eject or something for you. It's just the names of the people in the group chat. You see, I have them named as Cum Goblin. So, for me it says Cum Goblin and Source Gear. Because I have a friend nicknamed to Cum Goblin, you see.
Bruh.
What the hell is this one? Danny.
Yeah.
Danny.
Yeah.
Wait, you can...
In
Source,
meeting
you
we
didn't
should
know
play
you can add friend
Civilization
nicknames?
6.
I have, like... I actually should add a friend nickname to you.
Yeah, if you want, I gotta actually like go for like a
There you
minute or
go.
two because I have to do something real quick, and I can be right back, and then we can play when I come back. I'll be right back.
It's the Goblin group chat.
Wait. Like from the Minecraft server?
Source, they've had this for so long. I have a lot of my friends nicknamed. If you go to my group chat over here, Bruce, the Communist, Dan++, Hank, Melon Thief, me, Drimlar, and Maiden Anning. Those are all not their
Where's
usernames.
the Goblin group chat? Who's in it?
The Cum Goblin and the Penis Goblin.
Oh, but like, who are they?
Source and Eject.
Oh wait, so that's not the goblins.
No, the real Goblin gang is Dylan, I know. But he ain't here. We're not looking for gold this stream.
Oh. Gold.
BSB owner Giles Baller Manova. That's honestly me.
Bro doesn't know about BPM 2007.
I want to ruffle your shackles.
Milo, you actually don't know about BPM 2007's group.
I don't know.
It's a group DM with just me.
Source, no, they've been around for a long ass time.
Milo, I have a group DM. I found a group DM that like
Mhm.
people left, so it's just me, and I've used it to like send myself files so I can transfer them to like my phone or my computer.
Friend nicknames are now out from 2 years ago. I don't think that's accurate. I mean, maybe it is, but 2 years is a bit... User nickname, that's not right. This is the new user nicknames thing, so not nicknames. Adding nicknames to friend DMs. Client-side nicknames. Please add the feature of adding nicknames to friend. This is an old post from 4 years ago, so I don't know. Quora post about it. You want to fiddle with my feathers? You fucker, I want to ruffle your shackles. You want to fight, bro? I'll ruffle your shackles all the way to hell, bro. Anyway, I think this is a pretty good state for the game to be in day one, considering the amount of fuckery I've done. Oh, ooh, what I can do is I can connect this to Plastic SCM. You get to see this. So let's go to Window Plastic Shitty SCM. That's Package Manager. How did I manage to click Package Manager, which is here, and not Plastic SCM, which is, I don't know. Plastic SCM, we create the workspace. So we create the workspace. Clearly, we do not want it to be local. We want this to be new. We want this to be in. Yes, BSFR Unity Creations is obviously where I want to put this. Game, crafting game thing. Okay. Correct. So this is going to be where it's going to be. Like this. Really only need Gulen. Create workspace. So then I add a private. I type like sex or something to check in the changes so that everything I've put in so far is there. Holy shit. Hypnotic, trippy ice. I feel like I'm being mocked. You can't just call pink light red.
I mean, you can.
Isn't this the one I had full screen before? Yeah, this is the one I had full screen before. That one was good. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me check this out. Let me check this out. Let's see if I can fuck with this. Right. Let me pause Wavy Blue for a second. We gotta check something out over here. Right. So I know you guys are devastated that Wavy Blue had to go, but we got this new one. But I want to check something. So we have my window capture. Now, I remember being... no. Cancel. Is that going to get rid of it again? Shit, it did. Why does it do that? Okay, hold on. Dude, why? Dude, that's so annoying. What? Dude, why? Okay, so whenever I open the properties window in OBS... not the properties window, whichever window it is. Yeah, the properties window. Whenever I open the properties window, it fails to capture the thing. There you go. Okay, we got it back. Okay. Filters is the one I wanted to do. So... I don't think this is the one I wanted to do. What the I don't know what these do. I can fuck with these.
Okay, I'm back.
I can fuck with these. That just makes it really fucked. I can mess with the brightness.
Bruce,
Undo
you can
that,
play-
please.
you
I
can
can mess
play
with the gamma.
Civilization
I'm
if you
not even
want.
sure what that does. But I don't think that's the one I wanted to do, no. What am I thinking of? Color correction? I can increase the
already in the game?
saturation, boys. We got full red.
Oh,
That's
no,
how
you're
you get
not.
the
You're not in
red.
the game.
But what I was thinking of is a hue shift over to purple. I've mutilated it. I've made it purple. It is gone. Destroyed. Brought to the underworld. Because now it's no longer light red, as you call it. It's purple. I can even fuck with it more if I want. I can make it more purpley. Like this, you know? I can I think that's good. We got the purple waves now. Just in case. But I do why do I have 9 messages? I'm too Splatoon pilled. Is this a Splatoon thing? Yes. Guys, y'all need to chill on these abstract background videos. How dare you manipulate our waves? No. It's beautiful now. You don't understand. It's actually perfect. Like, I think this is it. You know? Why would you need to change it from here? Like, let's see. Right? This is perfect. That's it. It's nice, calming purple waves. I can make it even more purple. Hold on, let me go to the filters. I can make this even more purple if I fuck with the color correction hue shift. I think it's the Maybe a bit more like this, and then like this, you know? I'll go there. Okay. So now it's even more, it's like a better purple color, right? Boom. Purple waves. Take that, liberals. Purple waves.
Are we playing
Hmm?
Civilization?
Are you?
I don't know, is he?
I don't know, are you?
He's doing look connections right now.
I'm being conspired against by the wave mafia because I do not want to put on pink waves. You know what? I think I know why everything's going downhill. I think I know why everything's going to shit, right? Not because of the color corrections you guys say. I think that's
really hard.
I don't know. I think it's because you guys don't understand the true reason why it went downhill. I'll go back to normal colors. This is the true reason why. It's because I took it off of wavy blue. That's why. Now that we're back to wavy blue, we're good. Wait, new ceremony. We spin it at the start of every stream. That could be interesting. I think wavy blue is honestly what's gonna revive the stream, because like I'd taken it away to take a look at the light red thing, and that's where I made the mistake. I shouldn't have left wavy blue. Wavy blue is life. That is our religion, right? I cannot go on without wavy blue. And to live without wavy blue is to live without happiness, without joy. Viewership has peaked. It probably has. I mean, wavy blue is it. I think that I've retraced my dislike as of yeah. I'm not sure what retraced my dislike is, but I appreciate it. I thank you kindly, deeply from my heart.
He ray traced his dislike.
Yeah, he ray traced his dislike. I am probably gonna end the stream though, because yeah, I've been kind of not doing anything for about 40 minutes. I think we did pretty good so far. I mean, I've just kind of set up kind of the basic thing. Oh shit, I just dropped something. I think we did pretty good so far. I've got this basic thing going just with the placeholder character. Got balls. The pixelating thing is pretty cool. Setting up aux tools to actually work, that'll be cool and sick. Erroneous. I like how instead of game deving, we've been arguing about the color of metaphorical jangling keys in the corner of the screen. No. This is not metaphorical jangling keys. This is like metaphorical fucking what is it? Subway Surfers kind of shit. That's what this is. It's basically Subway Surfers. Pixel triangle, pixel PP, wavy blue introduction. Fjord cameo. Honestly, that's one of the best cameos I've ever seen. Balls. One being pixelated, one, well, not. Plus, debate over wavy color religion. Right? Do you subscribe to the one true wavy blue religion? Or are you a heathen and pick light red? But yeah, I think we accomplished a pretty good amount today, what the fuck is this talking about? Oh, there's probably just two things with audio listeners. I don't even know where that is. Probably on player. No. Oh, that's the second camera. It has audio listener. Remove that component. The start of wavy color religion. Waivers. Yeah, I can see it. Waivers. Check-in changes.
Where is Aaron?
Aaron.
Adron.
Aidsron. I don't know. Or do we call followers of wavy blue wavists? I don't know. I'll take a step back this stream. I think we've done pretty good, and I kind of want to end it here. Next stream, I'm gonna have a more defined idea of what I'm actually
won. Holy shit!
I'm gonna have a more defined idea of what I'm actually gonna do.
My bracket's dead already.
But for now,
I had 25, and they're all shit.
I'm gonna deafen for a second just so I can do the outro.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Banana. Where even is the deafen button? Okay. So yeah, for now, I am just going to see you guys later, be it in the past, present, or future.